Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into an awesome Canva trick, creating a pop-out effect with rounded image corners. This effect looks super stylish, modern, and is surprisingly easy to do. So, let's jump right in. First, we need to pick a great image, preferably one with a clear subject. I chose this amazing picture of a lecturer in a university uniform, holding a file and smiling confidently at the camera. Now, to create the pop-out effect, we need to separate the person from the background. Canva makes this incredibly easy. Just select the image, go to Edit, and in the Magic Studio, choose Magic Grab. With just a smart click, Canva's AI will process the image and separate our subject from the background. How cool is that? Next, it's time to adjust the background. I'll round the corners to 30, then reduce the height so it stops just at the head level. After that, I tweak the width to balance the framing. Once I'm happy with the placement, I group the background and subject together so they stay aligned when moving them around the canvas. Now let's add some artistic flair. I select the background, go to Edit, and apply the Duotone effect. I'm choosing a sleek violet color for this one. For an extra professional touch, I'm adding a text element behind the person's head. I type out university, adjust the font size and color, and position it perfectly behind the subject. And here's the final pro move. Let's add a shadow to make the text pop even more. I select the text, go to Effects, and choose Shadow. I set the shadow color to black and increase the offset to the max for a bold, eye-catching look. And that's it. Just a few simple steps, and we've got an incredible pop-out effect with a stylish, rounded background. I really hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, drop a comment below and let me know what Canva techniques you'd love to see next. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.